Welcome to St Ark Designs, and in today's video I will be showing you how to create a simple sketch effect on text and on an object. But before we begin, I would like to ask that you like, share, comment, and most of all subscribe and turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I post. And then without further ado, let's get into today's video. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the ellipsis tool, or we're just going to press E on our keyboard. And we're going to hold in Control and Shift and then drag on the screen to create a perfect circle. As you can see here, I went into the Path tab and I clicked Object to Path, but you don't have to do that necessarily because a rectangle is a path. So what I want you to do is open your Path tab, scroll down till Path Effects, or you can press Control and But yeah, open the path effects, and then the path effect that we're looking for is the hatches rough. So you select that path effect, and after you use that path effect, you're gonna see a couple strokes on the screen now, and then I'll tell you what to do next. So as you can see now, our path has turned into just a couple squiggly lines, I would say. And select the nodes tool and select the object, and then you can see some new nodes that was added to the object. The 4 new nodes, the 2 green and the 2 yellow. The one at the top is used to change the direction, and by direction I don't mean where it's going necessarily, but how long it is and how short it is. And then the 2 at the bottom are used to change the direction, but it's the one on the right really that changes the direction. So any direction you go is where it goes. And then the last green one on the right hand side is the one you use to change the density, and that's the one that we're going to use to create this path effect. So what I want you to do is just take that green node on the right side and move it slightly to your left side, and you can see when you also change the direction, as in a circular motion, it also changes the direction it's facing. So just play with that until you're satisfied, and basically that's how you create the sketch effect. And how to create the sketch effect on text, you first have to write out the text, select the text, open the Path tab and select Object to Path, and then open the Path tab again, open the Path Effects menu, select Hatches and adjust to your liking or satisfaction, and that's how you create the sketch effect on text too.